On tonight's live, Oliver Samuel's new short film, Sugar Dumpling.
Touch me, not touch me!
Your father's behavior is problematic.
You're mad?
And that me I talk about. Una na years of vibes cartel show na Trinidad postpone.
No comment.
Hey, who don't hear Beanie Man this Trinidad talking about doubles? Hey, hey, hey.
What? I don't eat doubles. Dog don't eat doubles. I don't eat nothing that dog don't eat.
On tonight's live, we'll be talking about these topics and more. Tune in.
Yeah,
8 p.m. right after the upload.
right, that's up.
How are you, Dips? You turn wacky. How are you going?
So like you even happy to see me.
Everything we are going up on the news. And we don't come for forecast, nothing.
Bad man, I won't up though.
You know, stop keep that in here.
No, you know. I have to protect my 3 points, you hear that? You don't know who.
So bad man, how will you protect yourself from?
Not just on the movements, you know. You don't walk in like a war now. Go. You don't remember movements when they on the last time.
Remember? Or if you remember sitting where we leg got instant. Eh? I'm a mouse a butcher. Are you fear carry belly my youth or a shirt?
Brother, I don't depend on in a bad man. You don't got neat stylings with me, you know. Remember that, you know. I wouldn't even show me how to deal with it, charge it.
Yeah. Circle the circle to get a reason, you know, brother. You can reason around this one.
Yeah, I just want to know that we leg got that from what day, you know, brother. From the same time we leg got that, you know. Come on, you only act out of emotion. That's it. All of we are big people. You know a thing go sometime, brother. We let it go so you can't let go that to bad man. Simple matter that.
Well, I can't believe it reach the stage. See a friend them walking in a business place, brother. You run coffee in a shop. Charger.
Nah, I'm gonna lie, still in my dog. But we see when I move the other day, I have me a way, you hear that? Because when I only friend me have certain way, I say I trust in my friend. So you see, I ain't idea when I see when I move them way there. I don't expect me for free.
Nah, I tell you lie still, bro. The way we da move, I just feel like you come a wrong time when I tell you this and this and this car. We did plug out, brother.
Alright, still in a butcher. And the lie I tell you still in a. You see it. But Lotion I just forward with the message wrong time. You can't come control what about we have to see we are millions of vicious.
That me I talk about bad man. When the head not even for your heart that much, that's when the friend can't even talk to you. You hear that? Brother, enough man, me see that reach, you know. They hear that and then charge them and talk to them and then not listen, you know. So what you feel like? I run there, run out in a way they enough to run in a bad man. And what go on? Funeral, boat box, you hear that? 6 feet.
Yo, we shake off that still right now, brother. Different thing with that one, you see it?
Man, them have a link in a charge. Focus, I want the man them for focus and I hold some deep meds, you hear that? You hear that? So how over so I go on bad man?
I want to tell you, say you're not vicious. Police, they end up on a clean up campaign, you know. And I'm mostly over 21 then there.
Yo, I want to tell you, say today, I sit down in a chair as a charge. And I hold a meds and I listen to news. And me hear say 2 brother drop over the bad man, you don't even know charge how I feel bad man. I say brother, I want to flash to my mind same time, you know. I feel wonder how me charge them and do over Spain in a charge. So you see I ain't idea. You see movements when you come see me for a while ago, bro. Don't take that too personal. I just want to make me feel the last time I talk to you, you hear that?
Never rest well with the either.
Yeah man, Vicious, and that's why we're there today too. You see me? Make you know what time it is.
I'm the vicious, you have a brother, you know. You say you all this. I'm for your brother for life,
That I
man.
pray, you hear that?
You hear that?
Fully of this man.
Dog them, I'm a dog them.
Right, you hear that? Dog, them are live.
Right, man. So you go.
So go on, the man they here for a ranking. You know link ranking yet?
What's the king come give you a link though?
Him tell you if we go link ranking. But we not go link him yet.
Nah, I lie, stay on me, bro. Feel like I feel link ranking making quell certain things, you know. Cause them boy they over there so not no sense, you know. And them good all a pre certain things, see me, you hear that?
Them boy they have to come for a good brother. Remember good and vicious. I feel like we to let down king and ranking, brother.
We don't really want a war start up back Vicious. You see me? Go in and me had look upon little Ashley and all them they out in the apartment where little pity them and the little youth them can go in for the school and not to worry about nothing at all, brother. Me I say I know it's a serious thing man them a tell you do a youth. You see it like me I remember everything where we are fight for youth, so just besides say I hit man, just a keep a low profile and go and look out the way I hide them, you see me?
Brother, better when you go talk to the elder them. Make them deal with things. But man, we don't want to have to walk and look over our shoulder, you see it? So it better when you take my foolish advice, link you big man them.
I hit me a show Butcha. Say yo, we have to respect the elders them still, you know. Cause them did set the thing that's way can come do what we have to do and they have to do it same way. You see it? I remember when I fight for no king like Baby Man and Cartel them, so I one king, but when they don't talk, they don't know. They work with them, I said man, you see it?
You know what funny? Let me see you start talk some things, brother. I never see coming. No vicious.
Hey Butcha, now I want to tell you say your boss are going better than when teacher did all pet me, you know. Because when I time I think all a pastor, I turn up in front of two of them and attack you.
Yo, remember say you we look up to, you know. Remember say you call me lion, you know, my friend. So you see when we see you do certain things and I make certain move, you have to talk to you, see how you do.
Hey.